If you're experiencing login issues on ElasticPath, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. If you cannot remember your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Sysrok to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Contact support. If you are still unable to log in after trying the above steps, reach out to ElasticPath support for further assistance. Provide them with details of the issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login problems effectively. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.